CSS just got something developers have wanted for years. Real conditional logic. Yes, CSS now has an if function. That means smarter styles, fewer hacks, and less JavaScript. In this video, I'll show you how the new CSS if feature works, why it's a huge deal for front-end developers, and how you can use it today with real examples. If you already know JavaScript conditionals, this is going to feel very familiar. But now, it's happening directly inside CSS. What is CSS if? The new CSS if function lets you apply values conditionally. Instead of writing multiple selectors or repeating styles, CSS can now evaluate conditions and choose a value automatically. Here's a simple example. This says, if the custom property size equals large, use 400 pixels. Otherwise, use 200 pixels. That's actual logic, directly inside CSS. Why this matters? This is a pretty major shift for CSS. Because traditionally, CSS wasn't designed for conditional programming. Developers usually relied on JavaScript, utility classes, or duplicated styles. But now, many of those use cases can be handled much more cleanly. This means cleaner style sheets, smarter components, easier theming, and more maintainable design systems. CSS is becoming far more dynamic. Now keep in mind, this feature is still experimental, and browser support is limited right now. So it's best used for testing and experimentation for the moment. But this clearly shows where CSS is heading. Smarter, more powerful, and far more capable than before.